Kim Clayton. I'm with 11 Realty here in Atlanta, and I am so excited about being at the 2009 Southeast Trade Show for real estate. What I really like about being at the trade show, there's 4 reasons I like to be here. Number one is I love the networking that's available with all the other realtors in the industry. I really like the fact that I can meet additional vendors, home inspectors, and get to learn about new products and services that are being offered. Another thing that I like about coming to the showcase is the training. The training here is fabulous. You get a whole day packed with a variety of topics, and you get to select and choose what you want to learn about, so it makes it wonderful. But I think the best part about being at the showcase is the small entry fee that you use to come in actually helps other families in Atlanta because it is supported by the Habitat of Humanity, the Atlanta chapter, and I think that makes it worthwhile because that's really what it's all about, helping people.